Fire, fire.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just showing you guys my nails right quick. So we're going to go ahead and get into this everyday makeup look. If you would like to book an appointment to get your nails done, you can go ahead and click the Acuity scheduling link at the top of my page. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off with priming our skin. All products are listed below in the description bar. Now, I know it's been a long time since I have been here. My other videos are from 4 years ago. So embarrassing, but it's okay. Growth is all that's important. So now that we're primed, we're going to go into our brows. Remember, your brows are sisters and not twins. I prefer a more natural yet thicker look, but it's all up to you. It's your preference. I'm going to go ahead and move you guys in closer so y'all can get a better view of what I'm doing. How's everyone been? Thank you so much for subscribing. And for my old subscribers, thank you for staying. It's been a long time since I've been here, but I've got some good ideas, good videos for you guys. Comment down below on what you would like to see me do. And if you know me, you know I love division, so you know I had to play them. So now I'm going to go ahead and get a small concealer brush to go ahead and carve my brows out. You can also use a flat straight line brush to go ahead and get your brows as crisp as possible. I am using a concealer that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin. I like a very bright brow. I'm going to go ahead and carry that down towards my eyelids. If you're going to clean around your eyebrows on the top, I would suggest only going 1 shade lighter. You don't want a halo brow. Now I'm going ahead and I'm blending that in with my finger. The heat from my finger helps to melt and blend the concealer into my skin. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that same concealer and prime my lids. If I want a brighter look, I would normally use my NYX eyeshadow base in white. But since I'm going for a more natural, neutral look, I went on and used the same concealer. Now I'm using my MORPHE palette. I love this palette. I'm using a very, very warm, medium brown shade and a big fluffy brush to put that inside of my crease. I really don't have one because I have little eyelids, but you get the point. So you're going to blend that up all the way to your brows, but still leaving that highlighted area. And don't forget to blend. Blending is key, guys. So next I'm going to go in with a darker brown with a blender brush that is smaller and more tapered to pack that color into that corner of my eye. I'm not really doing this for a color payoff, just to create a shadow to make my lids appear to have more of a shape, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to take my highlighter and use that as my base shadow color so that when I move my eyes, they appear larger whenever the light hits it. Go ahead and get my lashes together. Also, these are a classic set of mink lash extensions. They're a week and a half old. My lash girl's name and Instagram is listed in the description box. Now I'm taking my stick foundation from Black Opal and Heavenly Honey to add more coverage to my desired areas. And blend. I'm using a damp Real Technique beauty sponge. And when I say damp, I mean damp. Like I ran it under the faucet, okay? Not a little squirt of water here, squirt of water there. No. It's damp. Now I'm going in with a quarter size amount of foundation. I don't really like wearing too much foundation on my face. I don't feel like it's necessary. But everything is to your liking and your preference. So now I'm going to take a more natural looking concealer, which is my NC42, to highlight underneath my eyes. As you can see, it's more of a natural highlight. It's not too bright. So if you don't want a dramatic look, you can stop right here with your concealer. But I like to be a little bit more extra, so I'm going to go back in with my lighter shade that I previously used on my brows. And don't forget to blend. And here I am again, going back in with a lighter concealer. Now with the lighter concealer, I'm only focusing it at the beginning of my eyes and not the whole under eye area, because that's the only place I want to appear larger. Then down the center bridge of my nose, I really try now to not cover up my freckles. It adds a little bit more personality to my skin, but I like a snatched nose. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. Now we're going to take a OG Standard Eyes makeup wedge to apply our loose setting powder. I use the butt of the wedge because it really gets in there. And don't forget to blend it out. If you don't blend out your concealer before you press your setting powder, you will set those creases under your eye. And don't nobody want that. Also, set your nose and any other desired highlighted area that you would like to stand out. here I'm carving my cheeks because I have little chipmunks cheeks, and you know, sometimes you gotta snatch them up a little bit, just a little bit. I also set the concealer under my brows instead of using a eyeshadow because I just like the shade that they are. So now I'm going in with my base face powder to just buff that out. I really don't want to bake. I just wanted to carve it out. Once again for the lashes. Yes. So we're going to buff it out. Next, I'm using my Black Radiance pressed powder as a bronzer in Golden Almond because I don't really like a harsh contour. I just want my face to look warm again. Create those nice warm shadows on my face and keep it pushing. All of my brushes that I'm using today are from BH Cosmetics and can be purchased. They always have a sale going on, so you can always get all of your brush sets at 15, 30, 25% off. So I'm going to take that same pressed powder in Golden Almond down the sides of my nose. So now I'm taking my blush. Look real cheeky. Nothing too heavy, just a light wash of color. That same highlighter from Wet n Wild with a highlighter brush that was also purchased from that BH Cosmetics. Lord Jesus. It appeared a little bit too much for the look I was going, so I kind of buffed it out a little bit. I wanted more of a natural glow. Now set that face. Set your face. Set your face. You don't want it sliding off in the middle of the day. The Fix Plus really just blends and melts everything together. So I couldn't find my lip liner, but the ones that I use in the ending video clip is listed below. So I'm just going to go ahead and move on to my lips. With my lip colors, I like to gradually add color to them. I don't like to just start out big. I am definitely a gloss girl. Okay, guys, so that totally completes this look today. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Please stay tuned for more videos. See you guys later. Bye.